welcome back on your Friday here at noon. Aaron Myler joining us to chat a little bit about the weather. If you can see behind me, Moosehead Lake is there. There are a few empty slips on the dock, so hopefully people are out enjoying their boats if they can, because it's a great day for it.
Oh yeah, I mean, a lot of the state so far, a pretty great day. I mean, you have any plans later on?
You know what, I'm going to be here all day. It was a different schedule. You and I are all over the place, huh? We're meeting each other in the morning at 4. We're here at noon.
It keeps it fresh.
It keeps it fresh, yeah.
Keeps it fresh.
If I can sneak away, I might head to the beach and just have lunch there or something.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Now, outside, as far as the rest of the state's concerned, still not too bad either. I mean, we have a pretty nice middle part of your day here. As you can see, there are still some clouds in the sky, obviously, but not enough to ruin it. This will look way worse here if we take a look at the satellite, because it will make it look like it's a lot cloudier, but I mean, still, you have some clouds, you have enough sun peeking through to make it really a worthwhile afternoon here, so not too bad. You will notice it's starting to thicken as you look from the south, because we are going to have some rain moving in later on, chances for it, and we're going to have some clouds moving in as well. Now, rain, nothing across the state right now. Getting a break from that for most of northern New England. Vermont needs a break. Getting a break for the moment. Most rain we're seeing is down in southern New England right now. That's from New Hampshire stretching down through Mass and to the coast as well. So we're seeing some rain. It has been heavier, but it's starting to break apart here and get a lot lighter as it moves towards our area, which means we could get a couple showers, but we should avoid the heaviest of this as it starts to move to the region. It's been hot and humid. We're continuing with that today, but as we go into the first part of the weekend, this is going to shift off to our east. That's going to allow us to have a pretty decent day tomorrow. Should still be a pretty good one with a couple rain chances in there. And then as that moves back off to our west, we're going to start to see it getting hotter and humid. We're going to have some rain actually arriving here as we get into end of the weekend and begin the work week, but very quickly we're going to start to have some high pressure inching towards our area, and that's going to start to make everything a whole lot nicer. So the beginning of the work week should be pretty good overall. For your day here today, we could have a couple showers trying to move into southern Maine, but I wouldn't expect to see too much, but that is a possibility. The bulk of the rain for the rest of your day here is going to be staying up in northern Maine, where it will be heavy at times, and you could have some flooding because of that. Most of the rest of the state, a lot less likely, but you can't rule out a pop-up storm, but it should move on pretty quickly for most people. So we continue into your day tomorrow. A few more clouds to start off your morning, but not much in the way of rain, but there still could be some storms overnight. And then we'll see some sun actually coming back out as we head into your afternoon. So not a bad day. A couple of chances for some scattered showers, but most people won't see that. And it won't be that long either. It won't stay on top of you for too long. Starting off Sunday though, gets kind of misty and foggy once again. Widespread cloud cover as we go into the first part of your day there. And then as we end the day, we'll start to see more rain moving back into the forecast. This is going to be the best chance for some widespread rain across the area as we get to that point in time. Still going to be muggy though all weekend long, so we're not getting a break from that right now. We're going to see it staying quite humid, quite hot as well. High temperatures really aren't going anywhere for today or tomorrow, but they are going to start to cool down a bit more for a day, just today, as we get to your day on Sunday, getting back into the 70s before we get right back up there to start off the work week, getting back into the 80s. So staying pretty consistent, just slightly below average for one day before we continue to warm up right again. Seas for your day today are at 2 to 3 feet. Winds are out of the south around 5 to 10 knots, so just a light breeze in the water. Slowly warming up there. As long as we're below 70, it's technically still cold, so still cold water, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Otherwise, with those rain chances continuing for the weekend as we go into Monday, we'll have that sunshine starting to develop out there as well. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, not bad. Still some rain chances in the forecast, but not looking terrible. Same general story along the coastline. We have that chance for some rain, but tomorrow should be pretty good. Sunday is probably the worst day I have in our forecast, and as we get to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, shaping up pretty good, even though we do have some heat, humidity, and some rain chances back out there. But overall, pretty decent week ahead. We're getting way further away from the gray that we've had for like all of June.
I know. I'm seeing much more sun on that 7-day forecast than we ever have before.
We'll take it.
Yeah, so I'm